So these guys at flatbedmytruck.com were the awesome welders that solved this problem for me. Take a look. So what kind of repairs did they do? All right, let's take a look here at this stabilizer system. So here, this is the frame as sent to the Coachmen facility. And then they weld on these plates that allow the addition of the stabilizers. Now, on that side of the camper, they were welded on correctly. On this side of the camper, the person at the factory accidentally welded these with the long portion facing this way. So they're completely wrong. And of course, at the factory, they don't give a crap about quality, so they just left them that way. And the design itself is pretty crappy because it does not include a gusset of any type to support the leverage of this long piece and the load that can get put on it. Now, I have these guys welded in place now, but the original ones, and these are heavy duty, the original ones use these bolts and so forth, and you could actually see some bending in this plate. So they straightened all the plates and they added this nice thick gusset. You can see how they notched it. And it's right on the money, right where the load is. So they did a great job. It cost me $200 plus $20 in expendable materials, and I couldn't be happier. Lifetime warranty, which of course we know with these campers isn't very long. Their life is short due to such poor quality. But anyway, I'm very happy with the work they did. Check them out. If you're in my area, they can help you. Great guys.